Today is Sunday, May the 17th, 2026, and we're over on the Eastern Bypass in Montgomery, Alabama at the Dr. Percy Julian High School construction site, where they're building a brand new high school for the students of Montgomery, Alabama. Anyway, even though the construction is well underway, this past week, I believe it was May the 13th, they held a groundbreaking ceremony to commemorate the high school. We're going to get a pretty broad view of the school. Like I said, since there were no construction workers on the site. This appears to be the field house or student activity center by the nature of the size and the type of construction that it is. In the front of the school, it looks like there will be a pretty good sized reflecting pool that will welcome the new students to the Percy Julian High School. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. This is an artist rendering of the Dr. Percy Julian High School. It's going to be quite the facility for the students of Montgomery, Alabama, coming in 2028. Thank you so much for watching.